Yeah, I mean, I guess that's clean enough. What the hell? Mom?
Zach, that car is filthy. Look at all those spots and streaks.
Give me a break, Mom. I just cleaned it.
Honey, that's not clean. This is clean.
Whoa, what are you, magic?
It's not magic, it's Mother's Polish. And lucky for you, they're sponsoring today's video. Now start cleaning and don't make me say it again.
All right, God. Mother's has been revolutionizing the industry since 1973 and has over 100 unique car care products. Whether it's paint, metal, chrome, glass, plastic, vinyl, leather, and even rubber, Mother's products are specialized to tackle any problem and designed with ease of use in mind. So if you're looking to give your car the love, care, and attention to detail it deserves, head to mothers.com or click the link below and give it that mother's love.
And do something about all those water bottles on the floor. I mean, come on, who raised you?
Why? Dang, my mom's crazy as hell.